the gentlemen of the night, Mike Gorman and Tommy Heitzer, as they celebrate 30 years together. My privilege to send it over to them. Mike?
All right, Greg, thank you very much. You know what happens when you work together for 30 years? You get cloned. Come in here, guys. This is what happens when you work together for 30 years. All of a sudden, no matter where you look.
I should have mean my brother. Actually, we're doing quintuplets in my family. Look at them. Where are they?
Everywhere I look. It's kind of scary. That's kind of scary. Did you have any idea that 30 years would get us this?
Listen, these were never even thought of back 30 years ago.
Not even 10.
These kind of things, you know?
Yeah.
Paper mache back
You get one to take home, you know.
I do.
Yes, you do.
Where am I going to put it?
I don't know.
Tell me.
You get one to take home. We're supposed to be talking about 30 years together. We've been talking about 30 years together all day today.
Yeah.
It's been a pleasure to work with this gentleman. It continues to be a pleasure to work with this gentleman. And I hope I work with this gentleman till the very last basketball game that I do.
I'm with you, pal.
There you go.
Huh?
This is my gang.
We brought our gang, and don't be messing around with us either. We're sicking them on the referees later.
Gary and Donnie heads are on order for next week. I want you guys to know.
Yeah, sure they are. I'm going to have nightmares tonight after seeing that. Okay, guys, let's go to the mailbag presented by TD Bank, America's most convenient bank. This is Bill from Rockland, Maine. And Tommy, he wants to know is how important is it for the C's to get the #1 seed in the Eastern Conference playoffs?
Well, that'd be wonderful if they could do it and still maintain the fact that they've got to rest players and got to bring guys back, nurse them through injuries. If they can do that and maintain their first place, I mean, they've already lost it to Chicago, so it's going to be tough to get it back. There's a big stretch coming back, but they proved last year that you can win, and you can win on the road, and they almost in the fourth quarter did it.
There you go. You're a true professional to be able to do this in the face of what's behind us right here.
It's my brother.
It's your brother. Little T and Big T.
He's not heavy, he's my brother.
All right. That's it from here. Bye-bye.
Because now you're talking about a mental issue you have to deal with Rondo, but he's definitely playing a lot of minutes.
I got to give these guys some love. That big face, that's bigmug.com. BigMUGG.com. It's awesome. He's everywhere. Mike and Tommy are everywhere tonight.
We got to go over there. All that movie and screenwriting you do, you couldn't get us in their special?
I know.
How do you do that? Gary and Donnie not in the Mike and Tommy special, man.
I gotta call my agent.
They are combined 3 of 15 and they're shooting 38% of the line. Here's your shot. This is your chance to be a part of Mike and Tommy 30 years, Gary. Here it is.
Wow. I'm just so honored. Go to bigmug.com and you'll see stuff like this. You can have a picture of yourself just like Mike and Tommy with these guys.
Awesome.
Big Mug, that's with 2 G's, MUGG.com. Second half action coming up.
1 down, 3 to go. That was quite a moment right there. Pacers have a 5-point lead on Boston.